up in any shape or form, you are plugged in.
Yeah.
Right? It's grasping at you. Yeah.
So once you're unplugged, are you always unplugged?
Well, I think it requires vigilance, right? Like, you know, to not entertain that those pockets of information, right? You know, because that's very much what it is. You know, 400 billion bits of information, right? So where you put your attention, it's like a Where's Waldo, right? Where you put your attention in that sea of chaos, it's going to be what you see. It's going to be what you experience. You
Okay.
know, no matter what dimension it's in, no matter what, like that's going to be your story. So, you know, it's anytime I feel that coming in, it's just like, I'm trying to look over here.
Right all down there. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna go look over here. What else is showing up, right? And I start asking questions instantly now. Like, is this true? Yeah, wherever you put your attention, right? That's gonna be what they make your world in 2.2. And you know, most often it starts with a word or a little phrase, and boom, if you look at it, right, you can almost feel it sink into your body and just like go like this. Because I can't emphasize enough, this is your game. This is your game. And it's all played right here, right? With that, right? And we can view that good or bad, right? When we allow a fearful thought in, they have instantaneous access to blowing it up, right? And that doesn't mean not have emotion, right? That means just staying truly present, right? In the facts and the information that's around you, not you pulling in information out of past circumstances, right? Because that's what we tend to do. And as soon as we start connecting back, boom, you
Yep.
are toast.